Hey guys, welcome back. This is our video with regard to the April 8 solar eclipse. We got in here on Friday evening, the skies were clear, so I made sure that I did the polar alignment for our equatorial mount Friday night. I've managed to mark out where the tripod's going to go, and I'm planning on doing a test with regard to tracking the sun sometime today. However, if you've been following the weather reports, the weather is not going to be looking too good. We may get absolutely no view of the solar eclipse from where we're at. Today the skies are very cloudy, no sun at all. I can see the sun every now and again break through the clouds, but it is covered. I took the opportunity to mark out the ground where the tripod's going to go, so you can see that marked out there. And this is what the sky looks like. And we're looking directly at the sun. Like I said, we've even got a backup location which is north and south of where we are now, and I think that there's absolutely no point us packing up and moving, because I don't think anything is going to change. So we're just going to have to cross our fingers and hopefully we'll get some sort of a view. Otherwise all we're going to get is the sky turning very dark, and then the sky coming back to light again. But we'll cross our fingers. It does say that it's going to be some thunderstorms, but there is a possibility of the sun poking through the clouds. So cross our fingers. Hopefully we get something. Otherwise, I'll just have to pinch something from somebody else and superimpose it onto what we've got. So you see how crappy it is here, but how good it looks somewhere else. Anyway, we'll see how it goes.
We're on the way.
Very quickly, that's the best view of the sun I've had so far this morning. So we'll keep our fingers crossed. It's too bright for me to look at with my naked eye, but anyway, that gives you some indication of where we're at on Saturday with 2 days to go. Alright, so ever the optimist, I'm out here. It is about the same time that the solar eclipse will happen on Monday, so we're on Saturday. I've set up my equatorial mount and the camera, and I'm going to be trying to track the sun as it moves across. Unfortunately, can't even actually tell where the sun is now, but like I said, hopefully at some point there'll be a break in the cloud cover. I'll get an image of the sun, and I'll be able to see that the camera is tracking the sun correctly. So we might be in for a little bit of a wait, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully today's going to be the worst day, but I'm not confident at this point. Anyway, I'll carry on and do my tests and make sure that we're positioned in the correct place and that we're lined up with the North Celestial Pole, and that the equatorial mount is tracking correctly. So here we go, stage 2. All right, so I set everything up. I aligned it as best as I possibly could with a very wide angle shot. I tracked the sun for about 15 minutes. It did poke its head through the clouds a couple of times, so what I need to do now is go and have a look at the recording that I've made and see whether it poked its head through the clouds in pretty much the same location on the screen, and that means that I've got my alignment pretty much perfect. If there's a little bit of movement, it doesn't matter, but hopefully it'll show that it's pretty close. So I'll go and have a quick look at that. Okay guys, it's Monday morning. As predicted, the skies are pretty bad, thick cloud cover, but the sun is breaking through every now and again, so we will most likely see something. Just it's not going to be particularly good. I'll show you what we've got. I've got my little Coolpix here. It doesn't have the solar filter on yet. It's going to be doing a very wide angle shot. We've got the sun sitting up there. Once I've lined it up correctly, I'll pop the solar filter onto there. Over on this one we've got the equatorial mount, and that's been previously aligned with Polaris, the North Celestial Pole, and on top of here it's going to be going the Nikon Coolpix, and again I'll set that up to start tracking probably in about an hour and a half, when the solar eclipse is about to begin, and then we'll try and record all the way through. I don't think I'm going to need to worry about overheating today, which is good. That's one less worry. I don't have to sort of set up sun shields and things for the camera equipment. So, alright, so we'll see how we get on. Okay, so we've got about 2 hours to go before the solar eclipse starts at 12:30. The skies are looking pretty good now. I'm actually really impressed. We got a lot of blue showing through. I'll quickly flash the sun. The sun's quite visible at the moment. I've set up my main camera. I've set up the smaller camera. That's just going to have a fixed position once it starts recording. I've got the solar filter for the main camera. I've done a test on that. It's looking pretty good. So cross our fingers, another 2 hours, and then we're you know, or 2 or 3 hours, and we might all be onto a winner. So that'd be great. Keep you posted. All right, here we go. There's a little bit of cloud cover, but we're going to get started. I'm going to set up the wide angle one first, and then I'll move over to doing the main one. Okay, the solar eclipse has definitely started. I've got my big camera over there tracking quite nicely. We're probably, what are we? We're 10 minutes in at this point. Thing to remember, solar glasses. Make sure you got these with you before you're looking at any solar eclipses. So I've got mine, my wife's got hers, and yeah, we'll carry on. I'll show you a image of what we're getting on the big camera probably in about half an hour or so.
Hi everyone, the long-awaited moment has arrived. Solar eclipse.
We've been a little bit blessed at this point. The cloud cover is broken up. There's still clouds, but there's big patches of blue between them. So cross fingers, hopefully we'll get through the next hour and a half and be able to record something that's reasonable. Come over here and we'll have a quick look at where we're at this point. So as you can see, the solar eclipse has only just started. We've been recording for about 17 minutes, so far. So we've got another, totality is at 1:37, so we've got another hour before totality.
And look around the park.
There we go. Oh yes. Huh, look at that.
It's happening.
I am so pleased that we're getting a good look at this. I hope it stays. I hope the weather stays. This is really cool.
And we have our solar glasses to enable us to watch, to look directly at the sun.
And with them on, you can't see anything apart from the sun. So here we go. Okay, we've had quite thick cloud cover for the last probably 5 to 10 minutes, but then it's just broken again. So we've got another 45 minutes until totality. 45, 50, between 45 and 50 minutes until totality. So we're still recording, it's still humming along nicely. All right. Very hard to see it with the reflection.
You can still see it. It's like 1/3 of it now.
What do we got? We got about 45 minutes to totality.
It's getting there, almost halfway through. I can see with this.
That's the whole idea. Okay, we've got about
This one feels like
10 seconds.
middle of the night with a full moon. Right?
Okay, we're almost there.
Whoa, I'm getting goosebumps.
Woohoo, that's it.
Oh, it's good.
Holy smokes.
Woo! Look at this.
That is amazing.
This is a real lifetime experience. I'm so pleased.
So am I. This is unbelievable. My
happened.
God, look, you've got the stars coming out and everything.
It's so amazing. Feel like I have my sunglasses on, but it's not.
Oh my God! That is incredible! Holy smokes!
You can even see the stars.
I know this. Yeah,
Is that Venus?
that's. I presume that's Venus.
Oh, there is something flying up there.
That'll be a plane. Wow, plane just flew straight past the eclipse.
It's fun.
I wonder if it's following the totality. This is incredible. It's like the middle of the night.
Yeah, middle of the night with full moon.
I am so pleased we did this. I'm so pleased I put in all the effort to learn how to do this. That is, oh look, there's something red. Can you see that on the bottom?
Yeah. What's that? What's that red thing on this eclipse there?
Yeah, I don't know. It's not showing up on my camera.
Not showing on camera?
Must be just our eyes. Must be our eyes.
Well, I see it too.
Oh, that's just amazing. That is just so amazing. I'm so pleased.
This is like in the middle of the night.
And we've got probably only a couple of minutes left. If that. 2 minutes, alarm in 2 minutes. We've got 2 minutes left. Just soak it in. Just watch it and soak it all in. That is incredible. Oh my God. You see, I have to take the filter off during totality. Otherwise, you can't. It doesn't. It's not bright enough. Oh wow. This is truly amazing.
That is the look of totality on the camera.
You should be able to point it up there as well and get it. Can you? No, it's very small.
It's very small and it didn't show the eclipse, the shadow.
Right, that's the alarm going. So, any moment, yeah, any moment. Okay, there it is. There it is.
Now the sun is coming back up. Ah, the sun is coming back up. Has it been 4 minutes?
Yep.
What? You don't feel like 4 minutes of totality?
That's it. We
the
got
sun
it.
is out again.
We got it. Yeah.
Good experience.
Wow. And no clouds.
And no storms either.
No thunderstorm, no clouds. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, you can rain and do whatever you like now.
All the stress gone?
All the stress is completely gone. Oh, that was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, if anybody gets the opportunity to do this, just do it. It is well worth it. Holy smokes.
Yes.
It's cold.
It is such a good experience.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just so you're aware, it's what, 20 past 7? And the predicted thunderstorm has just arrived. So there we go.
Cheers.
Lucky for us.